fit completely under the seat, keeping the area around your feet clear. Once you've found your seat, please step into your row to allow those behind you to pass. Let us know if you need any assistance finding a place for your bag. We're here to help. On today's flight, we'll be selling fresh food, snacks, alcoholic beverages. For your safety and convenience, we're now using contactless payment. Simply save your preferred form of payment in the United app to make onboard purchases. We've also partnered with PayPal so you can purchase using the PayPal app. If you're a United Mileage Plus Chase card member, use your card to get 25% back on in-flight purchases. For details on in-flight or drinking personal alcohol you brought on board, it's not permitted. Thank you kindly. Welcome to United Flight 1176 to Boston. We're happy you're flying with us today. As you find,
flight attendants, please verify exit for seating criteria.
in front of you fit completely under the seat, keeping the area around your feet clear. Feel free to keep using and charging your phones and tablets. Just make sure they're in airplane mode and other places. your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlet. Don't forget to check your seatbelt pockets and area around your seat to make sure you have all your belongings. And be careful when opening overhead bins. To keep the aircraft comfortable for our next customers, please open your overhead air vents. And if you're sitting next to a window, please close the window shades. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Any checked luggage may be retrieved from baggage carousel 6. Your feedback is really important to us, so some of you will receive a survey asking about your experience via email or in the United app. We'd love to know how you enjoyed your flight with us today.